Hey, this is Audi A3 before facelift with a MIB1 High infotainment system. You can see MIB High. This is the first generation it's in the US specs, and I'm going to show you how to enter the red menu, the hidden red menu over here. So the control panel looks like this, and you need to press and hold button back and the top left at the same time and keep them like so for about 3 or 5 seconds, and you should get the engineering menu. And over here we have a couple options. We can go to settings, system, or update. So let's start with settings. Over here we can export the user settings, personal settings to an SD card or a USB device, and also we can of course import. So you can dump the settings if you are replacing the unit and then import those settings back into the new unit. And now let's go to system. Over here we have mine application, and we can check the uptime of the unit. So it's about 9 minutes right now since I've started to playing around with it. We can check some information about the applications that are running over here, and we can even check software bundles over here. Okay, so let's go back, and over here we have activation keys. So those are fetch and swap codes. This code is for maps, so we can see that it's for MIB1 High, it's for the US region, and this is the license time. Okay, now let's go back, and over here we have the third option, which is update. So we can select which source you are providing, in which source you are providing the new firmware to be installed in this unit. So we can go back over here, and to exit this menu, well, actually it's not that simple, because even if you turn it off and back on, you will still have this menu, and even though you are trying to go to radio or media, you are stuck over here in the engineering menu. So you need to press and hold it back and the top left button for about 3 or 5 seconds, and after that you will be back in normal operation mode. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.